Hi everyone, so it's getting close to Christmas. My name's Ryan.
I'm Ronnie.
And as it's nearly the big day, we thought it'd be a perfect time to give some of our birds on site some Christmas presents, because of course it's Christmas for them as well. So the two we picked out, because of their inquisitive nature, we have our team of Hooded Vultures, and we have, who's that one for?
This is for Sirius the Striated Caracara.
So let's see what happens. So it's my job to give the Hooded Vultures their Christmas present. So we have Fagin, Jack Sparrow, the Sundance Kid, we've got Bonbon and Mighty Might. Now in our Christmas present, I'm going to undo the bow for them, but in our Christmas present we've got their dinner. So I'm going to let them have a little explore and see what they get up to. Shall I open it up for you guys? And then I'm going to take a little bit of a back step and let's see what they do. It's quite interesting to watch their behaviour and their social behaviour as well. You'll see a little bit of head turning, a little bit of movement with their head, which is how they like to kind of communicate with each other. The most confident birds on the team, we have Fagin, who is almost team leader, and Sundance Kid, which is this bird in the middle here. Do you want to get some food in here, guys? Look, there's your dinner. Do you want to jump on in? Oh, they're getting interested now. They know what's in there. Yeah! That's Jack Sparrow, the oldest vulture on the team. And here we have Mighty Might, who is Mr. Inquisitive #1. Are you going to jump on in, guys? And of course, we all know what vultures are best at in the wild as the dustbin men. So what they would do when they come across a carcass, they'd kind of let all the other vultures rip it open and get all the big bits, and then the little Hooded Vultures, they are really good at getting all the bits that are left behind. So they have these really nimble, elegant beaks which they use to almost scrape the bones to get every single morsel of meat off. This is very different for them. They don't get a present every single day of the year, so this is all a big change. And this is also really good for their enrichment as well, something different, you know. Of course, we fly these birds every single day of the year, really. They are on a bit of a winter break, a winter vacation for our coldest part of the year. So, yeah, this is great because it's something different for them. And you can see that they're not phased at all. You gonna jump on in? There we go. First vulture in the present. Who's gonna join? Who's that first in? That is, of course, team leader Fagin. And they're just great fun to watch do that stuff. You all need to get in there because Jack's going to have a big load of food. Go, Mighty. Go on, Bonbon. Get him in there. Well done, Bonbon. Look, there's Becky. Get him in. Go, jump out.